it's the Honey Queen here, and I have my little assistant, little princess here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little thing called Cutee nails, and what that is, it's the cuticle cream to go on your nails, or ointment, salve, whatever you wanna call it. And I had some brittle nails a while ago, they were breaking off, I don't know what was happening, and I bought some stuff from the store, and it kind of did the job, but it started adding up because I had to get it all the time, and I had hangnails still and stuff dry, and they were weak. So I decided to kind of try several recipes, and I came up with this recipe on my own. Yeah, I did several ones till I got, because beeswax can be really hard, but we're gonna have, your ingredients here of course is beeswax, and I've shredded that, make sure it's yellow, shea butter, and coconut oil. We're gonna melt those in a double boiler over there, and then as soon as it's melted, then I will add the vitamin E oil, apricot oil, and essential oils. And look at these cute little tins that I got at the store. Aren't those cute? We're gonna put those in there. Nice little gifts for somebody. Isn't that a great idea?
For me.
It could be for you. We'll just have to see. So we'll put these in here and get started on that. Here we have, well, we're gonna turn this on back here. Gotta get the water boiling in there. And then we're going to add exactly 1 tablespoon of beeswax. And we have clean hands, of course, right? Yes. And then we have the shea butter. I put that in there. That's kind of a different kind of wax. It's really soft. Beeswax is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so it is a great protection. Beeswax, beeswax, beeswax. And of course our coconut oil. So that was 2 tablespoons of the shea butter. And then the coconut oil is only half a teaspoon. So there we go. And then we're gonna put that over there and melt it. Cameraman, could you push stop, please?
Yep.
Thank you. We're over here melting this, and we have to protect it because she's back away from it. And we're melting it in the double boiler, and I will show you a close-up of it melting in there. All right? Yes. Here we are, and it's all melted. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? So we have it all melted. And we're going to add, this is the secret ingredient because I found that the one that was the best, because beeswax is hard, isn't it? So we're gonna add apricot oil. That's really got a lot of vitamins in it to help your nails. Like I said, I did several recipes, but I wanted to make something that would facilitate and work on our nails. And then we have just a couple drops of the vitamin E oil. Okay, so that's that. And then you can put whatever essential oils you want in there. I just like a little citrusy. I'm gonna do the blue one. I don't have a blue one. How about this one? You wanna drop some of that? Okay, hold into it. Good, so we just put a couple. It says 5 drops of 3 of them, so we're just gonna put a couple drops. You wanna do that one? Okay, I'll put some lemon in there. That one was grapefruit. This is sweet orange. There you go. And we've got lime. Oh, you like green, I'll let you do the green. We got lavender, which makes it really nice. Okay, that's good. Excellent, you are so good at that. And our last one we have is Tangelo. It's kind of a unique one. And then you mix it. So you just mix it and you pour it in, and this is great. I put it on morning and night. And I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay. So there's
Stop
one.
the camera bar. Stop the camera bar. It's not going around.
There we go. Okay.
It's not going anymore.
We'll show you how to put this on your nails in just a minute after it hardens. It only takes a couple minutes to harden. Okay, cameraman, you can push stop now. Hey, cameraman. Oh, you know what we forgot? We forgot to find the bee. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? Where's the bee? Show us where the bee is. Do you remember?
Right there.
There it is, right there, huh? And it says, be happy. So I put this on morning and night. Here, we're gonna take a little bit of this, ready? And we put it on our nails like that. You wanna put some on your nails? Try it. So I just rub it in, very soft. And look at that. No, we're not gonna put any more of this in. Put some of this on you right here. Can you put some of that on your nails?
No.
How about I put it on you? Here, let's try it. Right here. There, doesn't that feel soft? Smell it. Okay, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with other people. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, where else? Twitter, Pinterest. Recipe will be below. This is the most awesome stuff for your nails. I do sell this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so have a nice, sweet day, right? Be safe and be happy, right? And my little princess here. This is my granddaughter, my only granddaughter right now. You're special. Okay. Say bye. Wave bye to the camera right there.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye, camera.